Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to create Shopify store in mobile phone. So you can see we have Shopify over here, and first of all you can customize your theme using these three lines on top right, actually left side of your screen. And here you can see we have themes, so we can see our online store using this option, and you can see this is how it is going to be looking. So actually for now let's just go back, and I'm going to be showing you how to add your products so it is listed inside your online store. By the way, you can also get to the link in the description below to get 3 months completely almost for free for just $1, and make sure to click that link in the description below and avail 3 months of Shopify. So you can add your products using this section. Click on this add product. You have various options just like on your uh, laptop or computer, so you can easily manage your products from here, customize your theme using online store, have marketing and literally everything. So you can now create Shopify store in mobile phone as well. So that's how simple it is. I hope this helps. See you in the next video.